Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get web security certification in dollar of zero. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So become a certified web security expert, that is the CWSE from the Hackviser. So master web application security and evaluate your cybersecurity career. In this video, we will dive into the CWSE Certified Web Security Expert program by Hackviser, a advanced certification designed for the cybersecurity professional and who wants to specialize in the web penetration testing and real-world web vulnerabilities exploration. So what this certification offers: hands-on practical labs and based on the real scenario, self-paced learning with no stressful written exam, industry recognition to boost your career, and over 80 modules covering critical web security topics and techniques like XSS, SQL Injection, SSRF, CSRF, IDOR, and more. So what we are the aspiring on the web security expert in the season. A penetration tester CWSE help you the sharpen your skill and validate your expertise. Level up your cybersecurity skill with a real world hands-on and a practice. So enroll now. This is the URL. We'll go through this URL. So when you will open this URL, you will get CWSE, that is a certified web security expert, and price of this is $399, but now they are providing in the free, and this is for the limited time. Okay, so all the details are there. So why choose the CWSE? So there is hands-on learning, self-paced, industry recognition, and expert level real-world skill, and no exams. And skill you will master on the cross-site scripting, that's a XSS, SQL injection, insecure data object reference, web architecture, command injection, file and unrestricted file upload, broken authentication, XML, there's a vulnerability analysis, server-side technology injection, and there's a server-side request forgery, cross-site request forgery, case condition, web bypass techniques. So curriculum is there, web architecture and fundamental two modules, and all the details are there. Just like there is a 5 modules, SQL injection 7 modules, in secure direct object reference IDOR, that is 6 modules. So all the modules when you will complete, and real world scenario is the 17 modules. So all the details are there. For that you have to sign in. Already I have created account. If you don't have account, then go to there, create an account, put your name, full name, username, email address, password, and language, and accept this one. And you can go through the sign up. After that, just now I'm going through the sign up. So click on login. After registration, you will click here, CWSC. So here you can see certified web security expert, and certification progress is 0%, and how many modules are completed in progress and available total modules are 82. After that you can click on the apply certification. So duration is given 2 to 3 months, and price will be free for now. So all the modules you can see here, all the details you will get. Go to the content, like that you will get. And when you will complete this one, you can apply for the certification. There is a apply certification, and you will get a CWSE certificate. You will be certified web security expert. So all the details are there. So now next, disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And for any copyright concern, email on this email address, action will be taken. And follow and support In YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Not follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.